How to switch between Facebook Lite and full Facebook app easily. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to switch between Facebook Lite and full Facebook app easily. So now let's get started. First of all, make sure both the Facebook Lite app and the full Facebook app are installed on your phone. Now, launch Facebook Lite if you want to use the lighter version. Now, to switch to the full Facebook app, go back and simply launch your Facebook app manually from the app drawer. If you want to go back to Facebook Lite, simply open the Facebook Lite app again. Unfortunately, there is no built-in feature to switch between them seamlessly within the app itself. You will need to launch whichever app you want to use directly. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.